We want to rationalize the denominator of this expression. To do this, we're going to make use of the difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared is a plus b, a minus b. If you're not familiar with this, look at the section on factorizing. For example, x squared minus 9 is x squared minus 3 squared, so it becomes x plus 3, x minus 3. To make use of this here, we take our expression and we multiply it by 3 plus root 2 divided by 3 plus root 2. Effectively, we're multiplying by 1, so we don't change the value of the original expression. Looking at the numerator, we get 3 times 3 plus root 2, and the denominator gives us 3 minus root 2 times 3 plus root 2. Expanding the top, 3 times 3 gives 9, 3 times root 2 gives 3 root 2, and now looking at the bottom, it's a difference of two squares, so we'll get 3 squared take away root 2 squared. So we have our 9 plus 3 root 2, and on the bottom we get 9 take away 2, which is 7.